Good evening. As COVID cases and hospitalizations increase across the state, the governor and the attorney general are at odds.
Yeah, on one hand, you have the attorney general, Todd Rokita, saying he doesn't trust the numbers. And then on the other hand, you have Governor Holcomb, who is now firing back, defending the state's reporting and its tracking.
Tonight, our Emily Longnecker digs into the governor's response after a state COVID update with Indiana's top health leaders.
The governor said he was stunned and somewhat blindsided by the AG's recent statements that he didn't believe any numbers anymore when it came to the COVID pandemic. The governor called the AG's words demoralizing. Attorney General Todd Rokita made the assertion during an interview earlier this month, saying the situation had been politicized since day one. The attorney general went on to say that hospitals were filling up because healthcare workers weren't coming to work because of vaccine mandates. The comments came right after doctors testified at the State House on a bill that would discourage private employers from forcing employees to get the COVID vaccine. IU Health, the state's largest healthcare provider, recently requested help from the Indiana National Guard and a Navy team of doctors, nurses, and respiratory therapists to help at Methodist Hospital to deal with an influx of patients and a staff that is overwhelmed after nearly 2 years of fighting the pandemic. The governor said if the AG has questions, he needs to ask state health officials.
It's quite serious when you accuse or insinuate anyone of inflating numbers. In my book, that's called fraud. And if there is a shred of evidence, he or others need to take that to the Inspector General of the state of Indiana.
The Attorney General issued a statement this afternoon saying there was no uniform standard when it came to collecting COVID death numbers and said, quote, "This isn't about fraud, it's about inaccurate numbers and political agendas causing doubt." Now you can read the AG's full statement on our website, WTHR.com.